Hey y'all. So today, we got some clip-ins from CURLSQUEEN. I think they yaki. They 20-inch, I think. Let's see. You know they sent me a pack for real. So they sent me a brush. I got a little ball on it, and they sent me some extra clips. This the hair. I think one of these got like a code in it. You wanna see though? It's the hair though. And it's yaki. It's yaki hair because I don't really like body wave. Oh, these. I don't really like body wave hair sometimes because it's hard to blend body wave hair in sometimes. This the clip-ins. I think it's maybe like they do double, so it's gonna be like 4, 4, 3, 3. Oh no, these 5. These 5. I ain't never had one that was 5. So it's 4. It's 2 5s, 2 3s, 2 2s. No, I'm sorry. It's 4 2s. Let me start over. 2 5s, 2 3s, 4 2s, and I don't think there's no single ones. But I don't like the single ones neither because they just be there taking up space. I gotta I'm gonna flat on them before I put them in though. But yeah, I just got my hair pressed out at the Dominicans though, so my hair real silky right now. It's a real silky. Look at that. Oh, I didn't even know my hair was this long. I really thought it actually is kind of like real bad damage, but it's alright. Like it's not that bad. They so long though. They're gonna be mad because I want to cut them. How I feel about clip-ins? I think sometimes clip-ins be a hit or miss. Hold up. Clip-ins be a hit or miss sometimes because, like, don't you know the ones that got like the that plastic leather band on it? I don't like them. I hate those clip-ins. Like I hate those with a passion. They just so like. They just be in the way for real. Like, and they not as flexible and seamless as they are advertised to be. So I don't really like them. Like, I like the ones like these. Like, that's like an actual track weft. I don't really like the other ones. They just be in the way. It was like, when I was installing them, I have like, they're buckle. Why is they buckling in my head? That's all I gotta say about them. And I'm them to slip out because my hair is really that silky. That girl burnt me 3 times, 4 actually, and I think she was mad because I was recording though. But girl, I told you I'm sorry, my bad. I told you I was recording. You should have said no. Girl, put that camera up. But she did a good job. She did a good job. I'll give it that. I'll give it that one. She blew the fuck out my hair. And I was like, I don't care how it look as long as it's straight. So I'm gonna do, I think I can fit a 3 right there. That's not what I'm trying to do. At all. And if you can tell, they got like the little crinkle texture. I did my nails today, y'all. I fucking hate them. I really hate my nails. But it's alright. Tease it up a little bit. Keep teasing. Sometimes clip-ins hurt, so we're gonna see if these ones hurt. The buckles. I sleep with mine in. I know you're not supposed to, but I'll sleep with mine in. Slap it in there. school. Alright. So this is what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna do look how soft my hair is. Tell me they ain't blow the fuck out my hair. I told them I was gonna come back. But we're gonna see if my little curls. Granted, I do want to get a perm. Confession, I do want to get a perm. I confess. I do want to get a perm. But I'ma just chill though. I'ma just chill. But I don't even wear my curls out. I don't really like my hair curly. I like it straight. Like it's so hard dealing with like my curly hair. If it was looser, alright, but I don't want to get no texturizer. It's either gonna be straight or natural. Straight or natural, straight or natural, straight or natural. I'm not playing all the games. Right here, I'm gonna try to do 5. Cause I don't want it too thick. Cause the hair already thick enough for real. It's really thick. That's exactly why I like yaki hair. And I don't really like Brazilian clip-ins or anything cause they be thin. And that's hard to do if your hair already thick. It's hard to blend in. I'm really just hopping back in on YouTube like it's nothing. I don't really want to explain myself. I don't want to explain nothing. Just know I'm not going back to school. I'm here. I'm thugging with y'all. So like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Do what you gotta do. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Don't thumbs down my stuff though, cause I'm real sensitive about my stuff. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Don't thumbs down nothing over here. Cause I was posting YouTube reels. Somebody said silk press. I think not. What the fuck? I mean, what the heck? Don't come on here talking about me like that. Like, I hate trolls. Like, and it be crazy though, cause like my family would be like, you know, they'd be on their troll shit for real with anybody. Just talking shit. Or just talking for real. I don't know if I'm supposed to be cussing or not in a YouTube video. But whatever. So, wow. Oh, am I gonna bust her down or am I gonna bob her out? It's long too. It come down. Bust her out a barber. Man. I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm really stuck. How am I supposed to record 3 videos at the same time? I zoomed in. I hope I did it right. Was I supposed to go like that? I think these are the last 2 I'm gonna add. The back probably look like a mullet. I like this heat protectant. It smells so good. It smells so good. The other one, the red one, the Fantasia. That smells like butt. Yeah, I'm tired of recording myself doing the same thing. Can I just come back when I'm done? No, you on duty. You on duty. Sadly, I'm gonna leave her straight. It's real. Yeah. I just gotta get rid of that hump. I'm gonna play with it a little later. Cause I guess I'm not cutting it.